Reggae artist Cure is still remanded in Amsterdam after a 2-hour court hearing on Wednesday. Now, according to the Netherlands Public Prosecution Service, the artist, whose real name is Secretary Alcock, has been given another 90 days in detention after an Amsterdam court decided to hold him until his trial date while investigations continue into an alleged stabbing by Cure of a concert promoter. Reports said that the public prosecutor told the court that the investigation is heading into the final phase. The trial date has been set for March 8 this year. American roots reggae band Groundation has released the first single from their upcoming album. The song, titled Original Rhythm, features Israel Vibration and the Abyssinians, premiering today on all streaming platforms. Original Rhythm tells a universal story of how music is a part of the spark that began our human experience.
Ancient form of communication. Through times of sorrow and celebration.
Lead singer of Groundation, Harrison Stafford, shared with E-Prime details on teaming with veteran Jamaican musicians on the track.
Working with them was a pure joy. I had wanted to work with Israel Vibration for many, many years, in fact, decades. And to be able to, over the years, become friends with Skelly and Wissef, Israel Vibration, also through the film Holding On to Jah, I became very close with the Abyssinians. So this idea came when the pandemic was starting. We lost so many of these great elders in the music that I felt like, yeah, I need to record these great elders. You don't know what tomorrow may bring.
An accompanying music video was also released today. The video showcases different scenes in Jamaica as well as New York, Texas, Florida, and California. Groundation was formed in 1998 by vocalist and guitarist Harrison Stafford. The band has helped define American roots reggae while building a large and loyal following in Europe and Brazil, where they have been a constant major headliner and festival attraction over the years. Now, still on some new releases, dancehall artist Governor has released a song titled Po-Up. Now, on the song, Governor addresses his recent fallout with the National Water Commission over a massive water bill that was sent to him in early December.
Tell NWC said they dripping on my watch, and the nothing that for dipping at the stash. Nothing. Yeah, me have a couple million for wash. Come and tell myself me living off a posh, yeah. Them target if I get sitting at the top.
Power Up has been getting rave reviews as fans praised him for his creativity and delivery on the track. I'm Daedra Gordon reporting for E-Prime.